All USD 351 schools were accredited for the 2015-2016 school year. In preparing for a new K-12 accreditation model, the Kansas Education System accreditation was approved by the Kansas State Board of Education in June of 2016. KESA will officially begin with the 2017 and 2018 year implementing the model. The 2016 and 2017 year will serve as zero year, a year of transition, community, and professional learning about the new model. The new model employs a system approach to schools improvement, accrediting system of schools. It requires systems, USD, and accredited private schools to engage in a transparent, based process of system-wide needs assessments, goal settings, implementation, and reflection. I am going to talk about the 5R in KESA: relationship, relevance, a responsive culture, results, and rigor. Relationships, a state of interconnection among people, curricula, programs, projects, and community, are critical in establishing connections that result in high-performance learning environment. Staff, students, and family community involved. Relevance: the power and ability of specific information to meet the needs of its user. Learner motivation and allow learning to become more engaging, empowering, connected, applicable to the real world, and socially significant. Curricula, instruction, engagement, technology. A responsive culture, one that readily reacts to suggestions, influences, appeals, efforts, or opportunities, empowers all stakeholders to become respectful of, responsible for, and involved in learning, the learning process, and the learning community. Leadership, district, climate, early childhood, nutrition, and wellness. Results: evidence of growth and learning allows curriculum and instruction to be delivered in a timely fashion based on the needs and desires of the individual learner. Rigor: a pursuit that which challenge and provides opportunities to demonstrate growth and learning is essential is addressing the needs of our expansion society and world. Career and technical education, professional learning, resources, and data. My principles leadership style is leader-member exchange theory because it focuses on the nature and quality of the relationships between a leader and his or her individual subordinates. The ideal is for a leader to develop as many high-quality relationships as possible. This will lead to increases in subordinate sense of job satisfaction and organizational citizenship, as well as to increase productivity and attainment of organizational goals. Developing effective relationships and identifying the right people for critical roles within an organization requires an understanding of how followers interact with each other and with organizational leaders in their daily routine. It is based on the importance of leaders developing high-quality relationships on an individual basis. I had the opportunity to talk with the principal of the school, and we found some areas of improvement, such as curriculum alignment, homeroom activities, and lunch duty rotations. Standard 10th, school improvement, engage others in an ongoing process of evidence-based inquiry, learning, strategic goal setting, planning, implementation, and evaluation for continuous school and classroom improvement. During our last meeting on Wednesday, we agreed to group teachers to align curriculum by courses like Math, Science, and English, History, Spanish. Standard 4. Curriculum, Instruction, and Assessment. Align and focus system of curriculum, instruction, and assessment within and across grade levels to promote student academic success, love of learning, the identities and habits of learners, and healthy sense of our purpose to use curriculum alignment is how to standardize education to improve academic achievement and educational quality and reduce the disparity in academic performance. Standard 5. Community of care and support for students. Provide coherent system of academic and social supports, services, extracurricular activities, and accommodations to meet the range of learning needs of each student.